Alright, good day getters. So, unbox lang natin yung nabili natin sa Nike app na Tatum 1 Home Team. Ayan, SRP 6,895. So, nabili natin siya around 3,800 na lang. So, parang 45% discount. Ayan, so ito yung Tatum 1 Home Team. White and black, and then orange sa Jordan logo, saka sa GT logo. Ayan. And then green dito. So ayan yung colorway niya. Orange and white din sa outsole. So yan, usually pag mga pang-basketball, wala naman masyadong flow yung nare-receive natin sa Nike app. So far, okay naman sila. Yung parehas na shoes. Okay, tatry natin pakita on foot with white and black socks. Pero pwede rin siya green and then orange na socks, or if ever uniform nyo, green, orange. Pero tatry natin on this video black and white na socks. Alright, so ito yung Jordan Tatum 1 na Home Team. Okay, tignan natin on foot with black and white socks.